Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to understand how can we do aggregations based on multiple keys, right? So in one of our previous video, we already discussed how can we do aggregation based on a single key, right? So where I used per key is one of the function in Apache Beam. Use that, we just counted, right? How many keys, how many times this particular key occurred, right? So now let's jump into the data set. Right, this is the data we have: customer ID, customer name, the transaction amount, and what type of transaction you made, whether it's a cash or UPI, right? So if you see here, we are just reading the CSV file as usual as a text. We are splitting it, and then so we are creating a key comma value pair. So all this logic we already seen it in our last video, right? Maybe we use a different data set, that's it, but remaining everything is same. Now what I'm doing is I'm just counting the transaction types, right? X3 is nothing but my transaction time, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Let me run this. It's running. Yeah, if you see, UPI is made 2 times and the cash is made 4 times out of the records which I have, right? Now, as just now I discussed, this is based on one key. Let's say if I want to do aggregation based on my customer name and the transaction type, how can I do it, right? Let me copy this code. It's simple and straightforward, not that complex as you think, right? Yeah, so we are doing aggregation based on the transaction type and the customer name, right, which is 03, right, and plus x of 1, which is our customer, right? And then what we'll do is I'll say comma, right? So now let me run this. Did you see? If you see Vishwa and UPI, the customer name Vishwa, where he made UPI transaction 2 times, and the same customer Vishwa had made cash transaction 1 time, right? You can see it here, right? I have 3 Vishwa here. 3 times he did a shopping. Out of 3 times, 2 times he did UPI and 1 time he did cash, and that's what, right? It's very straightforward, right? So now we did 2 keys, right? You can also include 1 more key here, right? It's straightforward. What you can do is maybe just say plus comma and whatever you wanted to add. Maybe let's add transaction amount. It won't make any sense adding nothing, but just see how it goes. Okay, what's the error? Okay, so here we should say plus. Did you see? So it will also group by based on the transaction amount, right? So hope you're clear how can we use multiple keys in case if you want to do aggregation. In our upcoming videos we'll see, right, so how we can sum. So currently we have seen the count, right? Let's say if we want to sum the transaction amount based on the UPI type or cash based on customer ID, whatever it is, right? So we also explore few other important functions that are available with Apache Beam, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.